Tired of spending more time wrestling with shipping than actually selling? Today, we're diving deep into Sendcloud, a shipping platform promising to simplify your e-commerce logistics, and by the end of this video, you'll know if it's the perfect fit for your business. First up, shipping labels. Sendcloud shines with its intuitive interface. See how easy it is to input your customer's address, compare rates from multiple carriers like UPS, FedEx, and DHL, and generate a printable label in just a few clicks. Speaking of carriers, Sendcloud boasts seamless integration with a wide range of shipping providers, saving you the hassle of juggling multiple accounts and logins. A centralized dashboard is a huge time saver. Now, let's talk tracking. Sendcloud provides real-time tracking updates for all your shipments, keeping both you and your customers informed every step of the way. Notice how the status automatically updates. Returns can be a nightmare, but Sendcloud simplifies the process with its dedicated return portal. Customers can easily initiate returns and generate labels, reducing your workload and improving customer satisfaction. Finally, let's explore automation. Sendcloud allows you to set up rules and triggers to automate repetitive tasks, such as automatically selecting the cheapest carrier or sending shipment updates to customers. This feature alone can significantly boost your efficiency. So, is Sendcloud the right choice for your e-commerce business? If you're looking for a user-friendly platform that streamlines shipping label creation, carrier integration, tracking, returns, and automation, then Sendcloud is definitely worth considering.